y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all know who this old fella is.
Hey, y'all.
James Russell, my other half.
Yeah.
And we are so excited to partner with Monument Grills.
Yeah.
They have sent us a beautiful grill, and we're about to get it hot.
Yeah, we're going to have a Sunday, a smash burger Sunday. That's what we're going to call it. We got our kiddos coming over and our grandbabies coming over. And I went to Sam's and got us some prime rib burger, y'all.
And some hot dogs.
And we got some wieners here for the ones that ain't real crazy about the prime rib burgers. And we got one of these things right here.
Little smash.
Be careful with these things. Might hurt somebody.
Yes, cast iron.
Yeah, now me and Rhonda, we like the old-fashioned.
We do.
We like thick burgers. Yeah. But the kids and the grandkids, for some reason,
what can you
they
do?
like them little old thin McDonald's burgers. That's what they love. So we aim to please. So Rhonda's gonna season these things up, and we're gonna throw them out there on that brand new Monument Mesa 415BZ. And let me tell y'all a little bit about the Mesa. It heats up to 630 degrees in 10 minutes.
That's crazy.
I mean, just
boom,
instant. It's got 4 stainless steel burners, and it's got a broil zone on the right-hand side where you can, it heats up. Well, it heats up quicker on that side if you need to. And then the opposite side, you can cook it, at a lower temperature. So you can cook meat on one side, vegetables on the other. It gives you very big versatility from side to side. Mm-hmm. And it's got a burner in the middle between those two zones where the broil zone is. It's got its own individual sear burner that you can literally throw a steak or a piece of meat in, and it is hot. When I say hot, ooh, it's hot.
Yes.
And anyway, it's also got a side burner off to the side,
which I love.
Yeah, and I've got some mushrooms and onions, y'all. We're gonna try to do that while we go along. It might look like chaos in this video, y'all. We got a lot of people coming.
We got a big family.
Yeah, that's another thing. This grill, you can feed 8 to 10 people easily. 23 burgers on that cooktop, and the cooktop is the grates are cast iron coated. So when you get that bad boy seasoned in, you get your oil and you brush it on there and you get it seasoned in just like this cast iron right here. Once it's seasoned and ready to go, man, it's so easy to clean. You just scrape it. It's just like a cast iron skillet or a cast iron pan. Effortless to clean.
Yes. Easy
to take care of. We've loved the other Monument grills that we've used.
And let me tell you, my favorite little feature.
Oh, yeah, I forgot all about this.
I love the little glass window. Because you don't have to lift it up, lose your heat. I love it. I love just looking through.
Yes.
It's my favorite feature. That should have been on grills years ago.
Yes.
So kudos to Monument for making that happen.
Great part of their grill.
Yes. And we got the grill. It was packaged beautifully.
Yes.
And my son got out there and whipped it up. He put it together in about an hour.
He did.
And thank you, EJ.
Yeah.
And anyway, we're gonna show you this grill making these little smash burgers.
Yeah,
today.
and then we may, turn it loose and I may let them do a little bit of the smash, and they make the smash burgers more so than me. So I may take the camera and let them do a little bit of the cooking, and we'll let y'all come into the house a little bit and spend a little bit of the Sunday afternoon with us.
With our family.
And show y'all what the Monument Grill looks like. And anyway, we'll take y'all with us.
All right, y'all. I'm going to keep these super simple because our little grandbabies, they can be very picky with some seasoning and stuff. So y'all know I like this Crazy Jane salt. That's all I'm going to do. It's got the salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. It's got all that already in it. So I'm just going to season these up and give it a little stir here. I love a good burger, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I'm just going to mix this through. Of course, I'm going to add some more black pepper. They're okay with that. Just a little black pepper there.
Yeah, we got to get them started early on that black pepper.
They got to know. We got to raise them right.
They got to know what's up. That's right.
Raise them right. All right. Now, I'm just going to take these, move this out of the way. I'm just going to make these little itty bitty balls because that's all it takes. And I'll tell you, you can make these hamburgers stretch a long ways doing this. This is about the size we're going to do. Just like this. Look how little that is. And I know you think, oh Lord, that ain't going to feed nobody. But we're going to mash her out here. Give it a good squish. They like them thin, y'all.
Thin for the win.
That's what it looks like. Got it on this wax paper, so it'll just fold right off here. I'm just gonna get another one going. Round little ball. Put them right there. And you can buy these little balls like this already this size.
Sam's makes them that size. But we like to season ours all together.
Yes.
That way you don't just season the outside of the burger.
Look at that. Look how pretty.
Man, what?
All right, we're going to just fold it right off. Put that one to the side. And I'm just going to get all these seasoned up, y'all. And we're going to be ready to grill. All right, y'all, we're back, and boy, did we just have a big old time today.
Yeah, we did.
We have enjoyed our little babies, our grandbabies, and just had a family Sunday fun day.
Yeah, a smash burger fun day.
Smash burger, that's what we did. He didn't have to grill or anything.
No.
He stood back and watched the boys do it.
I sure did. I had the camera, I was videoing them, and they did all the work, and I just got the video along. It was fantastic.
Can't get any easier than that.
No, it was a perfect Sunday. It was a perfect weather-wise. It was a grilling kind of day. It really was.
So. Thank you to Monument for sending us that Mesa 415BZ honey.
Yep.
She got it done, okay?
Yeah, it's the perfect size really for our family.
It is.
You know, you can cook 23 burgers on that thing. And you know, if you go to Monument site, no matter what size family you got or what you're looking for in a grill, I'm sure Monument has a grill
just for you.
Absolutely.
Just for you.
They sure do. With all the ones that they have, they'll have something that fits your need for sure.
And especially with that little discount code, honey, you cannot go wrong. BF 2025.
Yeah.
Go look for it.
That's exactly right. Right now, their Black Friday sale, now is the time to get it, y'all. It's the perfect time of year. And we hope y'all check out the code in the description. And y'all go over there and get it.
And until next time.
Peace.
Cha-cha. What you got?
You almost made it in that hole.
Chunk, chunk. He kicked it.
Still raise it back.
You didn't even catch it.
You got your hand too far forward on the ball. Come here.